unboxing my new Bose sunglasses headphones. Let's have a look at these guys. So they come in a nice case like that. We also got the lenses so that when you're running during low light or like at nighttime or whatever, you can run with the clear lenses. Not sure how good they're going to be, but I'm going to try it today while the sun's still out. And this one is the actual headphone. So they're pretty cool. They're made by Bose. Ooh. They're talking to me in my ears right now. They're saying I've got to go connect. The idea is that I've been running for a long time with a phone attached to my arm and also with headphones, big headphones, these Bose QC3510s on my head. And that wasn't great because I kept having injuries. Couldn't connect.
Oh no!
Bubba, I might need you to help me. Okay, some scanning.
There you go.
Let's just find some music and see what these suckers can do. Yeah, there we go. They're connected. Okay, time to get my running gear on. See you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm going for my run now. Wish me luck. Bye bye. Catch you next time. Don't go out yet. I don't know what to do. Love ya. Okay, this is my review of the Bose Frames. I found that the synchronization with the watch was flawless. The quality of the music was less than perfect. The bass is obviously a lot lower. The bass drum isn't as punchy as you would normally get from, say, an in-ear speaker or headphone, but all in all, it was really good. It's really light. You can still hear everything that's going on around you, so if there's a cyclist coming past ringing his bell, you know, you don't run into him like I did sometimes before. Yeah, generally the sound quality is really good. But most of all, I ran about 5 seconds per kilometer faster than I normally would because I didn't have a big clunky headset on my ears. So I give it 4 stars. There you go. It looks a little bit funky on the side because that's where the speakers are. But all in all, I'd say excellent for running. Not so great if you just want to listen to music.